So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your Binance wallet address. So you have to open your Binance apps and then you have to select your wallet. This is my iPhone. So then you have to press on deposit and then search your desired dollar. Suppose I want to check my USDT, and then you can see all of our option from TRC20, ERC20. It means euro. It's USD and Polygon and all kind of coin available here. Suppose I want to check my TRC20 address, then you have to press on TRC20, and then this is the deposit address. Deposit address means wallet address. You have to press on this icon to copy it, and your address will be copied, and you can send this address to other person to deposit or withdraw from any different website. So this is how you can easily check your wallet address in your Binance apps. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.